Hello, and welcome to DPDC Mobile Print. You've already learned how to set up your account. Now it is time to start using it. Let's get started. Preparing your file is an important step in the process of using the mobile print service. To begin, the first step is ensuring your file is saved in a supported format. This can include PDF files, photo files such as JPEG, or Microsoft Office files. I would highly recommend you save your file as a PDF in order to maximize compatibility. While Office and photo files are supported, they may cause formatting issues when attempting to print them. Unfortunately, we do not support Apple files from programs such as Pages or Keynote. Please save those as a PDF file if you wish to print them using our services. You should be able to do that in the native app on your MacBook. Please keep in mind the size of paper you would like to print to. Our mobile printers support 8.5 by 11 letter, 8.5 by 14 legal, and 11 by 17 tabloid. We do not support A4 or other metric-sized paper. Please set your file to 8.5 by 11 letter instead. Some of you may have PowerPoint or PDF files that you would like to print with multiple slides or pages on a single page. If you'd like to print this way, you'll need to print to PDF on any computer. When you open the document on your computer, you should be greeted with an option to print to PDF. Set it up as you would a normal print job, press print, and you'll have a file ready to upload with the multiple pages on a single page. If your computer does not have this option, we have two computers available down the hallway near the tunnels to arms for you. If you're looking to print a web page, the best way to do so would be to open the web page in your favorite browser. Much like the print to PDF option we just discussed, you set up to print your job and then save it as a PDF. That about does it for preparing your file to print. Drop by the DPDC in UMSU University Center or send us a chat during business hours with any further questions you may have. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.